welcome, and today we're diving into the heart of Hednesford to check out this stunning two-bed terrace property behind me that's just waiting for somebody to call home. This modern property boasts not only contemporary charm but also practicality, with not just one but two convenient parking spaces. And guess what? It's just a stone's throw away from the beautiful Cannock Chase. So let's step inside and let me show you around this beautiful property. Follow me. Well, there you have it. This two-bed property is absolutely beautiful. I hope you all agree. It's not too far away from some good local schools in the area. We've also got Hednesford Rail Station, which is only about a mile away. It's very close to Cannock Town Centre and the new shopping retail park that was built recently. And the M6 is only a stone throw away as well. So don't miss out on this opportunity to make this two-bed family home your own. If you want more information and you'd like to get on my VIP viewing list before it goes live on the portals, then just get in contact with me, reach out to me on social media, or get in contact me via many other means which you'll be able to find, I'm sure. So that's it from me. I hope you've enjoyed this property tour as I have. It's been a real pleasure showing this property to you, and with this beautiful weather that we've got now, I'm going to enjoy myself a nice cool drink. So I'll see you on the next one, guys.